this one self belief is keeping you fat for so many years you don't even realize. And here you are blaming your body, blaming yourself, but you don't realize it is the belief in your subconscious mind that is keeping you fat. It's because of that belief you keep getting worse, your health keeps getting worse, your body weight keeps getting worse, your body shape keeps getting worse, right? For many women, that belief is, my body has extremely slow metabolism and I gain weight even if I eat a little bit of extra food. Yes, if you have that self belief in your mind, if you believe that, then this video is for you, and I'll tell you how to overcome that. Because if you just change this one belief, you'll change your life magically. You'll start losing weight just like that. Yes, it's like magic. I know you don't believe me right now, but wait until you hear the explanation. You will be surprised because I changed my life that way, right? Because even when I had the same belief, right, and even when I became a nutritionist, first I did not have knowledge of how to lose weight and all. Then I became a nutritionist, and now I was able to create a science based diet plan for myself. I was following it, I was not following strict diet. Still, I was not able to maintain my weight loss. I would lose weight whenever I was following diet. See, that was one good belief in my mind, that if I take some action, if I do some exercises, if I take action, if I follow diet, I will lose weight. That was a good belief in my mind. But whenever I used to stop following diet, I would gain all the weight back. Yes, and that was not just the reality, but that was also the belief. See, your beliefs get manifested in reality. Want to change that. I wanted to boost metabolism, right? I had studied. I had experience of being nutritionist. I was charging people money for diet plans, and I was not able to maintain my own weight loss. So that was the very frustrating time of my life. And then I realized that it's not just about the diet, it's not just about what you eat or how much exercises you do or how many calories you burn. It's about mindset. Actually, it starts with your mindset. Because I had this belief that I have extremely slow metabolism. That's why it kept getting manifested, it kept getting worse. But I'll tell you how it affects you, right? Having those beliefs, how it affects you. See, if you strongly believe that you have slow metabolism, and one day you are eating some food, you have prepared yourself some nice tasty healthy diet meal, and you are eating it, right? But it is very tasty. Now you feel like eating some extra, right? Because it is very tasty and you want to eat some extra, and then you do eat something extra. Even though that meal is healthy meal, you again, your mind starts to worry, you again start to worry that it is going to make me fat because I have slow metabolism. If I eat something extra, I would gain weight immediately. That was my belief, right? So even if I was eating, forget about eating junk, even when I was eating healthy food, even if I was eating a bit extra, 2 3 bites extra, I would start worrying about it. I would start worrying about gaining the weight back. And that's where the problem lies. You manifest whatever you think, whatever you strongly believe. I would start worrying about gaining the weight. So I would start worrying like, I have lost so much weight, I don't want to sabotage my progress, why did I eat that much, and blah blah, right? Same goes for, sometimes you have some junk meal, sometimes you get the cravings, right? Sometimes you're attending some family function, you're attending some office parties or something, right, where you are not able to follow diet, or you simply crave some food which makes you fat, maybe mostly carbohydrates. They make you fat, but you're craving it, right? Your body is craving it, you want to eat it, right? So you go ahead and eat it. First you try to control yourself, right? Because you don't want to sabotage your progress, so far sabotage your weight loss progress, right? But finally your mind gives up and your body's cravings dominate, and then you go ahead and eat it. And whenever you're eating it, or many women are fine while they're eating that food, junk food, whatever, chocolate, pastries, or having full course meals at parties. We are fine when we are eating it, It's the same experience of mine, by the way. But as soon as we are done eating, we immediately start worrying about weight gain. Why did I eat this much? Why did I have to eat this much? Now it is going to make me gain weight. Now I will have to starve myself tomorrow. Then you go and drink green tea, and then you make a plan for tomorrow to starve yourself, which fails, by the way. Right? It's because you have this now you need to understand one thing. You did not gain weight because of that one meal. You gained weight after that one meal because you kept worrying about gaining weight. You need to understand how mindset works. You need to understand mindset comes first before diet and any calories. You gained weight because, not because of that one junk food or junk meal, not because of that 1 week of junk food streak you were on. You gained weight because you kept manifesting the same thing. You kept worrying about things. You kept worrying about gaining weight. So whatever you focus on, whatever you worry about is going to grow, right? That's why you kept manifesting weight gain. And this is where many women are stuck. They think that they cannot follow strict diet, they don't have motivation, they don't have consistent motivation. Nobody is consistent in their efforts, and it's fine. Life is never the same. Life is never the straight line. You will never be able to follow strict diet for life. There will always be some ups and downs. There will always be some different priorities in your life. You will always crave some kind of food. You will always want to eat something else, right? So diet has to be flexible. But no matter what diet you follow, whether you're strict or not, no matter how good your coach is, if you're not able to change your mindset, you will never be able to manifest a permanent and healthy weight loss, right? So now you know that you need to first recognize your self belief around your weight, body weight. Why do you gain weight? And if you believe, just like I did in the past, that my metabolism is very slow and I gain weight if I stop following diet, I had that belief. So I kept manifesting the same thing in my life. And how did it change? Now I don't see. Now is the situation where I don't even think about following diet. I enjoy certain foods. I say, and sometimes I enjoy junk food whenever I feel like eating it. Sometimes I enjoy sweets and all, and I'm not really taking much efforts to maintain my weight, right? It's just there. I don't really gain weight anymore, right? And my metabolism is fast now. My metabolic rate has improved drastically. So I no longer worry about it, right? And how did that happen? How was that possible? It's because I started working on my mindset to change my self belief from I have extremely slow metabolism to my metabolic rate is improving day by day, or my metabolism is increasing day by day. Whatever sentence that you like, right? Whatever that is more believable to you, right? See, if I would tell myself that I have fast metabolism now, I would not believe it, right? So it was just like I'm just reading random affirmation and it's not really making any difference. See, that affirmation, whatever that you're saying to yourself, has to be believable by you, right? Only then it is going to work. So I changed my self image from I have extremely slow metabolism to my metabolic rate is improving day by day. I know it was not going to happen overnight, right? That's why it is improving day by day was more believable. And then I started taking action. Now, how to change that belief? See, I have had that belief for so many years. Then how was I able to change that in one night, right? It was not going to change in one night. So what happened is I wrote that new belief down, and I set alarm to read it 3 times a day. At the start of the day, before starting my day, in the middle of the day, and just before going to sleep. Okay, these 3 times. Now this is not enough. Your mind is going to repeat that self belief multiple times throughout the day. For example, you went to canteen and you felt like eating something, some sweet yogurt or some chocolate, after you're craving some sweet after meals, right? And you want to eat it, but then your mind would trigger that alarm in your mind that, oh, you're not supposed to eat it, you will gain weight, right? And at that time you need to stop that mind, you need to stop that inner thought and change it to my metabolic rate is improving day by day. Whenever your inner thought throughout the day, you need to catch yourself. It takes some practice, but it is easy to do. It's much easier to do than you think. You just need to catch your inner voice, inner thoughts saying that I have slow metabolism. Whenever you catch it, you need to tell it to stop. Just stop, right? And then immediately say this to yourself that my metabolic rate is now improving day by day, right? This is the only thing that you need to do, and then go and take smallest action. Of course, you have to pair affirmation with feeling, with belief, and then you need to take action. Only then it is going to get manifested in reality, right? So first thing is you write that affirmation down and you read it 3 times a day, and then whenever you catch yourself repeating that old self belief that I have very slow metabolism, you need to catch it, stop it, and then replace it. Say this to yourself that my metabolic rate is improving day by day. That's it. You need to do all only these things, and of course take action. Smallest action. Eat one healthy meal, or just add some amount of salad or some amount of protein. That's it. And if you just do that, it will change your life. Trust me, it has changed mine. You only have to work on your mindset, then diet and exercise will follow. Your journey will be much easier. Now, if you have liked that video, please hit like button, and if you want to know, if you want to understand or get guidance on what is healthy and tasty food, how to make your journey enjoyable, how to work on your mindset, and how to follow flexible diet to lose weight permanently, then you can join my weight loss program. I'll put the link in the description. You can also book a free consultation call to understand how my services work. I'll put that link as well in the description.